Isa ka rin ba sa mga nanay na ang hirap painumin ng vitamins sa kanilang mga anak?
No.
Well, hindi ka nag-iisa because as for me, napakahirap painumin ng vitamins ang aking anak, especially if it's in liquid form. Good thing that NutriChoose, a vitamin-packed gummies, have a delicious solution for our children. So this is a gummy with a delightful orange flavor, and these gummies offer more than just great taste. They're a vital source of support for the brain development, immunity enhancement, and vision protection, especially for my son who are engaging in screen-based activities. Sobrang nagustuhan ng aking anak itong NutriChoose vitamins. And what I love about this one is it has vitamin C, E, D, B with DHA and lutein. So if you want to know more about this one, please follow NutriChoose in their Instagram account.